Hi friends, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we'll be writing an inequality for the graph that you see below. A couple of things I noticed right off the bat. It's a dashed line and there's some shading going on. That means that I'm going to be using some inequalities, less thans, greater thans. But first, I need to write an equation for the line itself. And I'm going to use that y equals mx plus b form. So you'll remember that the m stands for the slope. That's the rise over the run. And I'm going to start from this point right here at -4. And it looks like I've got a pretty solid point. I'm trying to find one that lands exactly. It looks like I got a good point right there. So I'm going to count that. Rise 1, 2, 3. So my top of my rise value is a 3. And my run is just a 1. Okay. Then I've got my y-intercept. This is where the graph touches the y-axis. And that looks to be right here at -4. So that lets me know that the b value is -4. So I've got y, I've got 3x, and I've got -4. So now I just have to decide what symbol should go here. Well, I know it's not an equal sign because it's got shading going on and it's got a dashed line. So I notice, first of all, that the shading is below the line. Notice that the shading is below. When the shading is below, then that means less than. When the shading is above, that means greater than. If you will look at the y-intercept, you can tell, did the shading happen above the y-intercept or did the shading happen below the y-intercept? In this case, definitely below. So I'm going to use a less than there. Last thing I need to decide is, do I put an equal to underneath this less than? Well, because this is a dashed line, you don't put the equal to. Dashed lines are less than or greater than. Solid lines are less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So in this case, we're going to leave that less than just as it is. And now I've got y is less than 3x minus 4. I hope this helps.